Hi everyone, my name is Rishi. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today on the Scholar Story, we have Arpit Gupta, who has cracked 12 LPA and is doing amazing in the field of digital marketing. Welcome to the show, Arpit.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful introduction.
So, Arpit, tell us more about yourself. How old are you? Where you from? And why did you choose digital marketing as a field?
So my age is 32 and I'm from Delhi basically. Before this, I joined the other company. Okay. And there I got the package of 6 lakh rupees per annum. And it was majorly due to my automation tools that I learned from Digital Scholar. And now I switched to IS Hub with 12 lakh per annum within just 3 months. And now here I'm working as a PPC campaign specialist and handling their all the paid marketing campaigns. Apart from that, I'm also working on email marketing and WhatsApp chatbots.
Amazing. Congratulations for cracking those numbers. Super
Thank you
happy
so
for
much.
you, Arpit. So why I believe you are a business owner as well, and
Yes,
you
sir.
you wanted to shift your career and you had no idea about digital marketing. So what was the interest point and why did you choose Digital Scholar also for learning digital marketing?
So, in 2014, sir, I completed my BTech, and after that, I started searching for jobs here and there. So, what I felt in 2014 that all the companies were looking for the experience holder and not the freshers. So, I went on with some consultancies as well, and I paid them a huge amount, and they ran away. So after that, I decided to start my own agency as a website designing company. And then after 6 months, I shifted my domain to digital marketing services. But it was not that much scaled up because I was new to the industry and I learned each and everything from internet and myself only. So after that, I came to know about Digital Scholar. I keep tracking Digital Scholar each and every year. And later on in 2021, I just joined Digital Scholar. So it was a huge experience because on regular basis I was just seeing the ads on Facebook and all, maybe overrunning the retargeting ads. So somehow I just decided and just enrolled for the course, and I learned many things like automation tools. I learned about how to just retarget people and get your audience from the Facebook and all, and how to rank your website on Google search results, Quora marketing. Apart from that, email marketing I just learned from you. So now
Amazing.
it is helping me a lot.
Amazing, Arpit. So, I believe automation has been your favorite subject, and on the
Yes, sir.
basis of that, you were able to, crack the interviews and so on. Can you tell us what is the importance of marketing automation? You feel like do employers are looking for it, and how was your entire interview process?
Sir, actually, as I am giving interviews on regular basis, so what I felt that people are lacking automations, and in the coming scenario, as we have faced the lockdown also, so people are moving online and they just know that they should opt for the automations, but they don't have the expertise or they are not able to find out the right kind of people who can set up the automation tools for them. So there are many jobs for the automation experts, but the people are very less. So I would recommend each and everyone to join Digital Scholar and learn automation tools and each and everything from the experts. Because see, learning from a teacher is good, but learning from an industry expert is better than that.
Fair
So what
enough.
I felt from Digital Scholar, I learned many things from the experts, those who were regularly involved in the day-to-day automation services. So it was a better thing.
Amazing. Continuing with that part, more than getting placed and all of that, do you think those skills that you learned at Digital Scholar was helpful, and you're applying them right now and getting results? Yep. getting a job is one thing, but actually be able to be skillful for the organization is another thing. So do you
Yes,
think?
sir. It was amazing. And one more thing, every time I watch the video again and again, I learn a new thing. It is not that I'm repeating all videos, so I'm learning old things, but each time, every time a new thing is coming up, and I'm able to learn a new thing from the previous videos as well. Now also, on regular basis, I am looking after the previous videos from Facebook groups and all, so it is helping me a lot.
Amazing. Also, there was one skill that you learned as well, which was Quora marketing, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you were telling me some other day that you made some money out of it. Can you share, how much money or what happened when you learned about the skill, which is Quora marketing?
So, sir, I run a travel agency. I started this travel agency for my wife. She was a housewife. Okay. So we are just providing the lowest fare tickets to our clients from all over India. And through Quora Marketing, I just grab clients from all over India, and now they are just calling our agency for the lowest fare tickets. And on regular basis, I am just pulling up the results. I'll just share my screen also so that I can show you the stats as well.
Wow. Okay.
So, sir, this is my this month revenue. That is 1,46,221,
Amazing. And this is
and it is just free of cost.
wow. So no customer acquisition. It was purely driven by Quora, and this is
Quora marketing, only Quora marketing. And as you can see, I already have the 3 lakhs of credit limit that I can redeem anytime.
wow, amazing. This is so cool, Arpit. Congratulations on acquiring free traffic, zero customer cost, and you're just getting the entire profits for yourself.
Yes, sir. On regular basis, I am earning a huge amount from here, and people are approaching us on regular basis. Every day, I am generating almost 25 to 30 leads per day.
Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Arpit. This is such an amazing case study for us because, whatever you learned, you implemented sincerely and you
And
can
sir,
see the result.
previously my wife was not earning a single amount, and now she is able to make up almost 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees just sitting at home working for 2 hours a day and nothing else.
Wow, that's the power of digital medium, and I'm super happy for you and for your wife. And really, all your hard work, all your dedication has paid off in considerable amounts. So
Thank you so much,
congratulations,
sir.
Arpit, and thank you for being part of Digital Scholar. And you've been one of the best students we have had until now.
And thank you so much, sir, for guiding us at every step. And we learned a lot from you.
It was my pleasure. Thank you so much, Arpit.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Okay.